Okay, good evening, friends out there. This is Mr. Chika from Win Forest with Dubiss. From Win Forest with Dubiss. Sorry for the past week. I was unable to do a weekly forecast due to I was on a sick leave. But right now I'm okay. I'm back. We're going to look at some analysis in the upcoming week. So we're going to look at the weekly forest forecast starting from Monday the 21st of March all through Friday. So I have some chart with me. I'm not going to make it too long. I'm going to take few charts, those that we able to hit trading and will make some profit there. So um before me here is a Euro USD chart. Euro USD chart. So we want to look at what will happen to Euro USD. What are we looking at for on Euro USD? Okay, on Euro USD chart, you can see that the price. I'm on H4. The price have been building what we call. If I bring up the trend line here, if I bring up the trend line, you see that the price has been making a higher high, okay, giving us a higher high and a higher low here. Okay, so we're seeing a higher low, telling us that the chart is apparently going up. Okay, I haven't seen it going up. What do we expect in the coming week? From H4, if I can go a little bit to H1, we already see that price reach a resistance zone. You can see various times the price hits 1, 2 and 3, but from what we're seeing on the chart, we can see that price is still pushing up. So what are we expecting? We're expecting a price to trend in an upward direction. Now if you trade in an upward direction, where do we take our target? For those that want to sell, for me, I can take this buy trade anyway. Let's say price come down, hit the trend line, then we expect a bounce from there, and we expect a bounce. First target, we know that price, when it comes to this zone, there will be a reaction, but we know that price will actually break out from here. So I'm expecting price hit this zone, probably give us a retest and more higher. Let's see, we see price will go a little bit higher. Now when it goes a little bit higher, where do we expect to take our next profit? I changed my chart to line chart, so on my line chart, we can notice that price form a little bit of the support here. So I expect the price to go hit 1.129, 1.129. Okay, so I expect price to hit that zone. So if you are taking profit, let's go back to the chart. Okay, so this is what we should expect. Price, so at this point, allow price to test this trend line, then take a buy. So take a buy from here, buy at this zone. So let's put it. So we expect a buy at this zone. So we'll take a buy at this level. First target profit, because we know where the first target profit. So we'll say target 1. Target profit should be this zone. So we have target 2 there. target 1 is 1.1140 and target 2 is around 1.129. So take note of this chart. That is even USD. Now going to GBP USD. GBP USD from our chart, you see that price actually hit fourth on this support here. Let's take it, this support zone here. So if I go to line chart, you see it very well. Okay, let's go back. So notice that price actually hit a support zone here and rise, meeting this resistance zone. You can see price is already on the resistance zone. So what are we expecting next week? I expect price virtually, if you look at here, you see that we have a little bit head and shoulder building up, here. Look at it, head and shoulder building up here. So for me, what I should be expecting, if I go lower to the H1 chart, I should be expecting price to probably give us, come back to this shoulder and make a move. I should expect price to even go beyond this. So let's go. Actually, if price hit here, we'll look at what price is doing there. Then we can look for a buy at this zone. So please help me look at your chart. You get that zone. That should be around 1.130. If I can split it down a bit, so expect price around this zone. Then our target profit should be on this zone. Why do I choose this zone? Let's see. Why do I choose this zone? If you look at previously, price happened in this zone as a support. So you can see price actually played out on the support previously. So coming down here, I should expect price to target this zone. So if I go the same way, my target point should be at this zone. So call it target. My target area should be on this zone. So our target should be around 1.13369. Okay, so if I can help you a bit, let me split it. So we target this zone. So we expect price to bounce, drop, then we'll take a buy. You can see head and shoulder forming there. Okay, let's go to USD CHF. From my chart here, you can see how price have acted in the zone. Look at it. This is a strong sell zone. Now, look at what happened there. If you look at here, you see that let me go back to this. You see that we have price that moves. Even if I take it from here, you can see how price moves on this zone. Okay. Let me be clear. So I have this. Okay, go back to my. So you see how price played out here. If I take it this way, you see that price is actually moving in this channel. But one thing that interests me on this price is that price hit this sell zone and is dropping. So what do we expect next week? What do we expect on our chart next week? Now, what I will expect on this price chart. If I go, let's see. Look at this. If you see here, you see that we have this guy playing out in this zone. So permit me to do this. So what are we expecting next week? Next week, starting from Monday, I expect a little move, let's say a little move towards this area, and we take our trades. So if you want to take this trade, allow it to move, retrace a bit, then take a sell. So take a sell anywhere at this zone. Then when you take your sell, target this area as your TP1. Okay, we'll call it target 1. So we call it target 1, our first target. So first target should be around 0.9250. So around 0.9249. Okay. Then furthermore, target this trend line, which is target 2. So our target 2 should be somewhere here. And that should be our second target. And if we should put a price tag there, so that should be around 0.9181. So that is for USD CHF. To allow price to retrace towards this zone, then take a sell, target this area for your TP1 and TP2 for the trend line. Okay, let's go to NZD-USD. NZD-USD, we see price moving up, okay, because of the Ukraine-Russia. NZD was a bit a safe haven pair, and it was moving up. Okay, so looking at what we have here, I can see a bit of W. So if you look at the chart, you see that we have a bit of W, and once you talk about N or W, you know that harmonic pattern have come to play. Now before the harmonic pattern, we see what we have here. We have our ABC. Now in this ABC, how do we know that price have gotten to a deep point here? If I bring in my Fibonacci measure from S to A, X to A, you notice that I normally like this zone. 78.6 and 88.6 is a reversal zone for me. It's a reversal zone. So price is already on the reversal zone. Okay, price is already on the reversal zone. So if you look at what we have there, we have a little reversal there. So look at what we see at that price there. So what do? We take it sell. So NZD USD is good for a sell at this point. So take a sell. But because of we might not target much, once we take a sell, we expect price. Let's see. When we take a sell, let's see. Actually, I don't know how long it will move, but let's say we target this and this, a short sell. So when we do that, our first target should be at this zone. So target 1. So target one. From what we have there, you see that our target one should be on 23.6 Fibonacci retracement zone. Then target two, we look at 38.2 retracement zone. So please take note, because I know this pair might still move up again, but we want to take a little short sell. Then this should be our target, this zone. So take note. I hope you're seeing the charts, because I don't want to go in much detail, but take a sell as soon as the market open. Then your TP from a Fibonacci TP1. Okay, let me do that, because of some of us might be too lazy to map out those target areas. So target one is your 0.6875, then target two is 0.6846. okay, let's go to USD Canadian dollar. USD Canadian dollar, before now I have this weekly trend line. I have been acting on this trade. I have this trend line, you can see it has been played out. And another thing, you notice that price actually dropped. This was the we call it demand zone. But from the look of things, we expect price to move further down. But before the price move further down, like if you like to follow my chart, you see that we have a bit of M here. So we have this from the chart M. Remember, I say when I talk about M and W, M and W is a harmonic pattern. I don't want to go into details, the type of harmonic pattern, but it's a harmonic pattern. But so what are we expecting on this price? Look at this. If I move this guy to this line chart, you notice that we have a base somewhere here. We have a base here. Let's go back to our charts. So what are we expecting? I will expect you, okay, if you're taking a short buy, you can take a buy as soon as the market open. Then target here. Then let's go. We're taking a buy here. So we take a buy trade here. I know most of you like all these most of these small move. Okay, take a buy here. Then target this zone. Target this zone for your buy trade. Then after which you take a sell. Then when you take a sell, after which you take a sell, let's see where that sell will land on. We notice that we have go to my line chart. We notice that we have a zone here. So that is it. So what are we saying? We take a buy trade here, we take a buy here, target this zone. Then the same way, you look at the price there. When you get your reversal there, you take a sell. You take a sell at this zone. Then you target this area. Target this area. So it's a double barrel. I'm giving you double barrel trade setup on USD Canadian dollar. Take a buy, target this area. Then when you get to that area, close your trade, take a sell and target this area. So that is for USD Canadian dollar. USD Canadian dollar. Okay, like as I said, I don't want to make this video so much. Let me switch to this guy. Let me switch to this guy. NZD USD. Euro NZD is a price that is playing out based on the price actually moved down. Then later on we got this retracement. So after the retracement, I believe price wants to continue the down movement. Look at it. Let's see how that price moves. So the price actually moved down and have retraced 38.2. The price have retraced 38.2. So what are we expecting? Okay. From what I'm seeing here, that is my own analysis. I see what is happening here. Probably, I don't know. I am a trader, a harmonic trader. Okay, so I noticed that what is mostly forming here should be harmonic. Don't ask me how. Okay, so we're expecting harmonic. You can see price is actually dropping. So what do we do? Where for me, let's see where this guy will get to. So looking at where it will get to, I bring in my Fibonacci, my Fibonacci 2. So I'm seeing price to drop on this zone. So if this chart is anything to go by, we're expecting price to drop here. So look at this. So we expect this guy to drop here. When price drop here, then you can now go for a buy. So expect a buy at this zone. But remember this delay. So we're expecting price to trade at this point. So probably to do this. Take note, this is my analysis. Okay, I could be wrong, could be right. Okay, let's see this guy also. Euro Canadian dollar, Euro card for me is equally doing the same thing. Almost Euro NZ is doing. But on this one, I'm looking at the Gatling pattern forming here. Pattern forming. So if you look at this, what I have on my chart, the pattern forming. So where will this guy end? Like as I said, for you to do harmonic pattern, for you to look at harmonic pattern, you bring in your Fibonacci. So with my Fibonacci 2 here, we expect price somewhere here. So I expect price when it drop here, price might bounce. So if you're looking for a buy trade, wait here. So wait at this zone of our buy trade. Okay, so that is for Canadian. Okay, Euro JPY, very interesting. Euro JPY. The price has been down. Now price have bounced. So having bounced, what are we expecting next week? I'm expecting a drop, but let's see if that drop is okay. If you look critically, you see that price actually did this. Price actually did this. Okay, well, let's see if price is here. We are expecting a reversal. Let's see, are we expecting any more move up? I bring in my Fibonacci X2A. Okay, if you really understand how I trade my Fibonacci, you see that we have a retracement zone here. So what are we saying? When market open on Monday, take a sell at this zone. When you take a sell, most likely we'll see where we target. But first, we take a sell zone, a sell at this point. Please, when you take your sell, it's very important. Here should be a validation zone, so you put your stop loss at this zone. When you take that sell, you put your stop loss at this zone, okay? But I'm expecting price, 88.6 and 78.6 is for me is a retracement zone. So take a sell there. When you take a sell, let's see where we target. Let's see our target zone. Look at this first. Let's go here. Okay, that would be nice, but I don't know how long it will if it will get to that point. But let's see. I like getting those in case price didn't get to that point and it bounced. So I'm taking this support. Let's go back to the chart. So if you take a sell, target this zone. So target 1 should be here. So our first target should be this zone. That is 130.19. That should be our first target zone. In fact, we'll be happy with it. So put our target zone here. Then target 2. If price goes further, we target this. Our target 2 should be around this zone. Okay, that is for Euro JPY. I saw these guys having similar pattern there. Now, if you look at this, we have price that moves. Okay, so ask which type of harmonic pattern is this? Okay, this is a cipher pattern. For those of you that don't know harmonic, I see cipher pattern building up. How do I know that this is my retracement zone? Look at this, my X2A. You can see price is already on my sell zone. Price is already on my sell zone. Hence price is already there. Let's see if we take our sell trade here. Target this bottom here. Just help me target this zone here. Don't go too far. For GBP, or from what we see, like it's still more bullish, so our target should be around 155.30. 33. $155.33. Let me bring in the price level there. So target this. Then after which we expect price to go up and meet the zone. But first of all, take the sell trade. Then after which, okay, should I give you double barrel? Yeah. After then, after this target zone, okay, you can take a buy. So I'm giving you double barrel. You can take a buy. When you take a buy, target this zone, this upper zone here. So that is double barrel. Okay, double barrel. Let's see. If can I go further? Let's see AUD JPY. AUD JPY. AUD JPY. From analysis, you see price. In fact, if you look critically, I'm seeing harmonic pattern that is playing out seriously. And this guy, for me, I see it harmonic pattern. And if you look at this harmonic pattern, you see that we have either butterfly or crab that is playing out there. Butterfly or crab. But let's see if we're correct. Let's see if we're correct. Okay, let's see if we're correct. Okay. Okay, you can see crab is already what we have there is crab. Okay, what we have there is crab, and you and I know that this guy here is a retracement zone for butterfly or crab. So what are we expecting? As soon as the market opens on Monday or Sunday night, okay, take a sell trade here. When you take a sell trade at this zone, for me, you target, this should be area of target. So what are we saying? Taking a trade here, target here. Like I usually do, when we target here, we'll now look at price, because most likely, okay, let me not go that way. Let's just take our first target here. If price go deeper, target this trend line. So let's name it target 1 here, and let's name here target 2. So let's go. So we have our target 1 around 86.10. Then our target 2 should be 83.08. So like as I said, I don't want to make this video very long. I just want to end here. I also have other setup, but because I don't want to make it very long, I just want to end here. Like looking at this, sorry I wanted to end, but I'm seeing this guy, very interesting. Looking at this, you see that we have a trend line that have already moved from here to this zone. Let me use my line chart, I could get it very clear. Okay, go back to my chart. Now look at this. If I duplicate this guy, see that we have that is on the daily. So if you look at what I'm expecting on this price is price to come down, target this area first. This card JPY to go further down. Okay, so if price comes down, we notice we have an area here. So go back. So we have an area here, area 1 here, so TP1, or I call it target 1 here. So what are we saying? We expect a sell trade at this zone. So looking at this, expect to take a sell trade here. I believe JPY pair, JPY will bit come down. Sorry, I didn't check USD JPY. We should leave these guys. So expect target 1 here, then expect target 2. So like as I say, I don't want to make this video too much. For gold, sorry, I just discovered I didn't do anything on gold. Look at gold charts. Gold charts, I expected price, okay, move, come down. So for gold, I'm expecting gold to drop in this zone. So if you are trading gold, for me, you take a sell trade, then target this zone, target 1977 and 1967. So that is what I have for this pair. So good luck next week, happy trading. Like I should say, you can go through the chart once again, go through. Then if you have any question, I'm on Telegram, I'm on WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp me for further questions, or if you have any issue in Forex, just WhatsApp me, or I'm on Telegram, just give me a call, then I'll attend to your need. So happy trading, thank you everyone. This is Forex.